Hey, hello and welcome to today's GFG problem of the day. Hope you're doing well. So let's see today's problem. Find length of loop. So what the problem is saying is we'll be given the head of the linked list. Okay, ahead of the linked list. And what we want to do is we want to determine whether there exists a loop. Okay, so what is a loop? So in this example, right? So here is a loop, right? So there exists a loop. Okay. And if there exists a loop, we want to return the size of the loop. So what is the size of the loop here? The size of the loop will be the size of the number of nodes in the loop. So here it is, the number of nodes it is 4. So we want to return this. Okay. So this is the ask. Okay. Okay. So how can we solve this problem? Okay. So there are many ways to solve this problem. So the approach which we are going to take will be the slow pointer and the fast pointer approach. Okay. So in this approach, we will start with the head node. Okay. And slow and fast pointer will point to the head node. Okay. Now the slow pointer will move by one node and the fast pointer will move by two nodes. Okay. So what we're going to do? So we'll move slow by one node. Okay. And fast by two nodes. So fast will point here. Okay. And we'll go till fast.next. Fast.next is not equal to, we'll run a while loop where the condition will be fast.next is not equal to slow. Okay. So once this condition meets, like once this condition is violated, for example, fast.next, if it is equal to slow, then we'll break. So here let's go. Okay. So here again, we'll update the slow pointer, right? And we'll update again the fast pointer. So fast pointer will move by two nodes, right? So we'll again update this slow pointer and we'll again update this fast pointer. So fast again will go ahead by 2 pointers. So here the condition now will violate. What is the condition here? F dot next is not equal to S, but here in this case F dot next is equal to S. So we'll break here, and also this will validate that there is a loop exist in the linked list. Okay, fast dot next equal to slow. Okay, so let's also code along with this. Okay, so yeah, so before going to the code, I'll request you to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Okay, so let's have 2 pointers, slow equal to head, right? And node fast equal to head. While what will be the conditions? Fast is moving ahead, right? By two nodes basically. So we have to check fast should not be null, right? So there are chances that fast will uh, definitely, like it will go like if there is no loop, right? So fast may point to null, or fast dot next may point to null. Okay, should not be null, right? And what is the condition? Fast dot next should not be equal to slow. Fast dot next should not be equal to slow. So if this condition violates, if fast dot next equal to slow, that means there's a loop. Okay, so what we're going to do? We're going to move slow by one pointer, slow, and fast by two pointers, right? Dot next. So here, right? So when we'll break this while loop, if there is no loop in the linked list, that is one condition. Or if there is a loop, then in certain scenario, right, in certain step, fast dot next will be equal to slow. So here, if we saw here, right, so fast dot next is equal to slow here. Okay, so we'll break out of this while loop. Okay, so now once we break, right, so what we're going to do is now we want to calculate the size of the loop, whatever is the size of the loop. So what we're going to do is we will run a while loop. We'll run a while loop wherein this slow pointer will move the slow pointer until it is not equal to the fast pointer. So for example, here is slow pointer, right? So we'll have length as 1 first. Okay. Okay. Now let's move the slow pointer. Slow pointer is pointing here. Now slow pointer will point here to here, right? So we'll also increment the length, right? The length of the loop, right? Now let's move ahead. Still fast is not equal to slow. So we'll go ahead, right? So now S will point here. Also, what we're going to do, we're going to increment 3, right? We're going to increment to this length to 3. Okay, now still fast is not equal to slow. So we are going to increment this, right? And this S will point here and will increment our length. Now slow is equal to fast, and here we'll break. So we'll get our length in this process, right? So length equal to 4 if you see, right? Slow is pointing to fast. So let's also code. You'll get it. You'll what I'm saying. Okay, so what we're going to check here is fast is not null, and fast dot next equal to slow. What we are saying here is if there is a loop, right? this means, this condition means there is a loop, right? So what we're going to have, int length equal to 1, we'll say, right? And what are you going to do? While slow is not equal to fast, is not equal to fast. We'll run this while loop till this condition. Okay, for this condition. Okay. So now what we're going to do? We'll move our slow to the next, right? And also in this process, we are going to increment the length. I have already explained this. So once done, we'll return. So we'll have, once the while loop is broken, that means we have got a length, right? We have got a length, and so we'll return the length over here. If condition fails, right? That means there's no loop. So we'll simply return 0 from here. Okay. So let's compile this. Yeah, it's compiled successfully. Let's submit it. Also, I'll show you the C++ code. Okay, the test cases are being processed. I hope you have got the solution. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video. Okay, let's quickly see the C++ code as well. So here is a C++ code, slow pointer, fast pointer. We are pointing to head. Then what we are doing here is we'll run this while loop until these conditions violates, right? Until this condition matches basically, right? So what when we'll run till fast.next is not equal to slow. Okay, so we are going to move slow by 1 node and fast by 2 nodes. Okay. Then once this condition is violated, we are going to check here if there is a loop exist. Okay, if that loop exists, then we are going to run the while loop till slow is not equal to fast. Okay. So while running the while loop, we'll also increment the length and we'll get our length here. We're going to return here, and simply if there is no loop, right? If there is no loop, then we are going to return 0 from here. Okay. So this is the solution. I hope you have got the solution. Okay. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video. Have a happy, healthy, and a great day. Thank you so much.